Alright, guys. I'm sorry. This lighting is so bad that I was stumbling through half of these guys. Where were we? I think we're at the Alabama guy. Alright. Yeah, Amari Cooper, wide receiver for Bama. I can't tell what this says. Something Johnson. Deontay Johnson from Toledo. Aaron Jones, running back. I don't know what that is. Clemson, maybe? Probably UTEP. Yep, UTEP. Aaron Jones. And look at this. Justin Abear from Oregon / San Diego. It might be Justin Herbert. I don't know how to say his name. I have no idea who that is. Looks like an Ohio State guy. Yep, Terry McLaurin. I think he's a wide receiver. Tyler Boyd. Pitt. I think he's a wide receiver. And the last card is... looks like Dalvin Cook, running back from Florida State, a.k.a. Minnesota Viking running back. Yeah, I must apologize for my camera. I've been using this as the one that they gave us at my work to use for conference calls and for Zoom and all that crap. But this camera is trash compared to the camera that I had. It's hidden with my boxes somewhere. Okay, I'm not going to go through the rundown, but I am going to give you guys these. I just felt so bad. That these are like these things are usually like $8. They were on sale for $3.99. They were clearing them out. Couldn't believe it. But anyways, yeah, I seen Prism Basketball in Hanger, Blaster, and Cello Pack form tonight. I seen Prestige in Blaster, Hanger, and Value Pack. So, oh man, I hope this. I'm gonna let some light in. It's just terrible. I can't read these cards. The light stinks so bad, but. All right, Kenny Galloway, Josh Allen, Auden Tate. Never heard of him. I heard of Golden Tate, but not Auden Tate. From I don't know college. These are pros, so David Johnson. I can't tell. Darius Leonard, Jimmy Garoppolo, someone on the Packers, Aaron Jones, Denzel Lewis. No, I'm sorry, it's Denzel Mims. Austin. Looks like Austin Hooper. I can't tell. Ryan Tannehill. All right. This is Green Bay. Aaron Jones. Here's the Bears. I don't think I've seen Lions, Bears, or Vikings until this pack. Roquan Smith. There's a powerhouse. I can't tell who it is. Looks like a Tampa Bay Buccaneer, but I'm not sure. Yep, Devin White, Tampa Bay. It says it right down there. All right, who is this? Prestige, Sam Darnold. It's the first Ram. Is he a Ram? No, he's a Jet on this one. Jets versus Rams. 20. They won 23-20. I don't know why that's considered such a big upset. The Jets had a pretty good defense, I thought. Kamara's flying high with Niners. Another weird insert. There's a sweet looking insert. Youth. Does that say youth served? Youth movement. Looks like another Buccaneer, but I can't tell. Let's see here. Ronald Jones, running back for the Buccaneers. That looks like a Viking. It is. Kenny Nwango. Alright. Nick Bolton. Chiefs. Friggin' TV's too loud. I'm trying to say it and you probably can't hear it. I was watching the top so many plays for the month. Nick Bolton again? Yep. Don't ask me why. Another Nick Bolton. Different card. This is a rookie. Marquez Stevenson. Najee Harris for the Steelers. Jamal Williams for the Lions. Finally, we got a Lion. Carolina, Keith J. I can't think who that is. Who is this? Robbie Anderson. Calvin Ridley. The Falcons. Travis Kelce. Chiefs. He must be a wide receiver. Because I've heard of him. Doesn't say. There's no way he's a quarterback because I know I've heard of him. It doesn't say anywhere what their position is. This is weird. Chase Edmonds for the Cardinals. Jamison Crowder for the Jets. Baker Mayfield for the crappy Colors. Who would nickname their team that? I don't care if it was named after Paul. Seriously, like you got your chance to rename your team. Derrick Henry from the Titans. When they moved to Baltimore, you had your chance to get rid of that ugly name. They should have called them the Cleveland Dogs or the Cleveland Dog Pound or something. And you brought that stupid name back. Cameron Jordan for the Saints. I couldn't see who that was. Who is this? Austin. It's either Eckler or Austin Eckler. Looks like Eckler. What a charges. And then there's your kid thing. Alright. That's free pack number 1. Like I said, I'm doing this for you guys because I felt really bad. Like I just couldn't do it. I was so dead tired last night. As soon as I went over there to relax for a couple minutes before doing the 4th and final break, I just conked out. And since I did so good finding stuff at Walmart and Barnes & Nobles and Targets today, you got 2 free packs that weren't included. Pack number 2 of the freebie. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. There's only a little bit more than 5 minutes left. I'm going to read it in the light off camera and then I'm just going to show you. Larry Fitzgerald, Allen Robinson, Daniel Jones for the Giants. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put them down one at a time. It looks like it says Tim Davius White. The heck does that say? Trey Davius White. It's just a weird name. Looks like it says Melvin Guardian. I'm Melvin Gordon for Denver. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. My name is Camara, not Camara. Camara. Vikings. Kirk Cousins. I couldn't read that. Alright, I'm going to go back to doing it the way it was working good. Chase. No, I'm not even going to. Chase W. from New England. I'm not even going to try to say that name. James. I'm like really hurting here. James Conner. I'm smushed. I'm squished. I'm squashed. I can't even tell what that says. Joe Schubert. Like, really? Like, these cards are really nice. I really like these. Prestige, but, like, perfect example. Look at this beautiful card. That's amazing. And then they have the friggin' names like a font of like -6. It is Denzel Mims. I don't know what kind of a card that is, but it's beautiful. This one is, looks like it says Kyler Grandson. Kylan Grandson. Yeah. Hey, keep trying to make your names unique. Time-stamped. J.J. Watt, baby. That goes out to Houston. I wonder if Houston's going to kick ass on defense again this year. This one here is a Prestige Plus. I thought it said autographs, but Prestigious Pros. Harrison Smith. That's a Vikings. Alright. Got another powerhouse. This one is Derrick Henry. He's really good. He doesn't, he plays on a team that doesn't really get much recognition, but he's awesome. Oh no, Mark Ganasta, you know what? I remember him and Joe Klecko in the New York Sack Exchange when I was a little kid. But he used to act like such a jerk. He was one of the first goofs that used to start that goofy dancing. Turned it from a sport, from football into entertainment. All right, this is Jared Patterson for the Redskins. I refuse to say Washington football team. Redskins, 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 Redskins. It's the Redskins. Oh, I don't care if they name it something stupid like the Washington Peacemakers or something. I'll still call them the Redskins. I don't know who these pigs think they are that they could just change names. And their coward bum of an owner caved into those pigs. Trey Lance. American Indians are like proud that it was the Washington Redskins. It's these goofy white liberal idiots that want to change everything. Oh, we don't like that name, Washington Bullets. That was Cornell Powell, by the way. All right, here we go. Something Chase. I'm not, get a normal name. He's got an apostrophe in his name. I don't even know. Andy Dalton. Preston Williams. Lamar Jackson. Something Billings. The Jones receiver. Eagles. I can't see his name. I'm not. Quentin Williams. DJ Clark. Chris Cower. Darren Waller. Oh my God. I'll tell you what, I gotta get my break rooms back to normal. Thanks. Peace out.